Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino. I'm a musician and performer in New York City, and I also teach guitar and ukulele. You can find out more about that at urocknyc, that's YOUROCK-NYC.com. Today we're going to talk about how to fix a guitar chord. So basically what that means is if you're trying to play your chords and for some reason they're coming out a little muffled or weird sounding, you're not exactly sure why, we're going to go through a couple chords and do a little bit of troubleshooting. So let's start with a nice A chord, okay? Here we go, trying to play an A, and it sounds kind of muffled and kind of light. Not sure why that is. Well, it's usually because of two things. Either you're not pushing hard enough on the strings, or your fingers are touching other strings. So even if you're pushing really hard, but your fingers are touching other strings, you'll get ringing and buzzing and stuff like that, and muting. So what you want to do is really treat each string very particularly. Pay very special attention to each string. What I like to do is I use the tips of my fingers, and as you can see, there are actual lines in my fingertips where I'm pushing, and it kind of comes in a little bit of an angle here, right on the tip of my finger. So I've got my pointer on my D string, my middle on my C, A, D, G, and my ring on my B string. I push down nice and hard, and I get a perfect ringing A chord. So again, if you're not pushing hard enough, you're going to get that muted, kind of soggy sound, and nobody likes a soggy A chord. So definitely try to push on that nice and hard, let it ring, make sure your fingers are where they should be, and all your chords will sound perfect. That's a promise. Thank you very much. Lots of luck to you. Thanks for watching.